Hi, I'm Keith with Solutions Pest and Lawn. In this video, we'll talk about this product. We're going to cover what it is used for, how to get started, where and when to apply, drawbacks, and the different considerations before choosing this chemical. Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.
Ficam is an orthoboric acid granular insecticide. This product is a weather-resistant insect bait that works by interfering with the insect's stomach. Ficam controls many different species of insects, but we typically recommend it primarily for outdoor and indoor use to control ants, cockroaches, and crickets. Before using Ficam, be sure to wear proper personal protective equipment, or PPE. Ficam comes ready to use right out of the bottle. There's no mixing necessary. Unscrew the lid and remove the seal and you're ready to apply the bait. Ficam can be used outdoors to spot treat areas like ant beds, or it can be sprinkled in general areas where the pests frequent, like along your foundation. Indoors, Ficam can be sprinkled or dusted into areas such as your attic, in cracks and crevices, behind electrical outlets, and under appliances. Use a handheld powder duster to apply the product to these hard-to-reach areas, and keep the dust out of reach of children and pets. Apply Ficam during calm days where rain is not in the immediate forecast. Ficam is not an instant kill. It can take a few hours to kill the insect after consuming it so as not to create bait shyness. We recommend reapplying every 30 days for continual control. Most active infestations cannot be controlled through the use of one product. Typically, you'll also need a liquid concentrate and an insect growth regulator for complete control. For each insect, we've come up with a treatment method that we guarantee 100% to work. Click the card in the top right to get more information. Ficam is an insect bait, which means it needs to be consumed in order for the active ingredient to take effect. To make Ficam as effective as possible, it needs to be in a place where it's easily accessible to insects. If you're looking for a broad spectrum barrier treatment that will kill insects with contact, check out Reclaim IT Liquid Concentrate. Use Reclaim to repel insects away from your home and kill any that come into contact with the barrier. If you want a more targeted indoor bait for an ant or cockroach infestation, check out Anthrax Gel Bait or Apex Roach Gel Bait. Both of these products were made to be consumed and brought back and shared among the colony, spreading the product. They are also easy to use and can be applied to various areas throughout your home or business.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.